So earlier in my other links and other tabs, I explained the G protein coupled reception. I explained phosphorylation cascade, and this kind of puts it all together. This is under the response column. So first you go through reception, then you go through transduction, and then you go through response. So it all starts with the binding of epinephrine into a G protein coupled receptor. So then that is going to trigger what I said, the phosphorylation cascade. So this is a phosphorylation cascade all laid out. So an inactive G protein becomes active, just like in the G protein coupled reception. Inactive adenylyl cyclase becomes active. This is through the enzymatic activity. Then ATP turns into CAMP, and these two, adenylyl cyclase and CAMP, go hand in hand, as you can read. Before it's either in the prior tab, or it's under secondary messengers. So then inactive protein kinase A becomes active. Inactive phosphorylase kinase becomes active phosphorylase kinase. And last but not least, inactive glycogen phosphorylase becomes active. And the response of this is that glycogen turns into glucose 1-phosphate. So this means that this is what happens through the fight or flight response. And the fight or flight response is pretty self-explanatory because it's last minute thinking. Are you going to fight or are you going to run, basically? A lot of animals go through this when they encounter predators, things like that. We go through it. We call it our adrenaline rush. So hopefully all of this put together now makes sense in the response column of this video and this webpage. So